Hi everyone, today we'll be doing a review of SEO writing. It's an app that helps you to create AI generated content, very good one. These are the prices, the plans, the different plans. And then these are some of the features. You have a one-click blog post. Okay, we have product roundups. You can do also product reviews. You can do bulk generations. So back on the pricing page, if say you have free plans, you have the free one. When you use the link on the description, you can start your free trial with up to 5 generations, which is equivalent to 500 words. So use the link on the description for that. So the starter plan costs $14 on the annual plan. That is if you pay annually, and comes with 50 article generation. The professional one comes with 250 article generation, I think, which is the best option. So I want to see some of the features included. We have a humanizer text. We have top AI image generation, and then they also do auto citation. So the high model that we'll be using here is Cloud 3 Hoppers, which is the best available model today. Okay, you can also use ChatGPT form. Okay, on the starter plan we have also bulk generation, which is also available on the professional plan. And then the generations, the pricing is based on the generations, not the word. They're not among the words. So I want to use this tool. If you scroll down, you can see different features. So start by clicking the one-click post generator. So here you can see there's a place where you can place your main keyword and the title. So when you place the main keyword, in this case I have two keywords, two titles. We'll start with this one, which is digital marketing analytics and metrics. I'll place it under the title. So the keyword I want to rank for is digital marketing analytics. I'll place that one under the keyword section. Okay, make sure to place it in the right place. So under the core settings, make sure your language, choose the language which is suitable for you. In my case I use English, the USA version. The article size, just choose medium. Medium is good. It's around 2,400 to 3,600 words, which is good. Okay, the tone, I want it to be friendly. You can choose whatever fits you in that case. Friendly is good. Okay, and then want to choose the hair model you want to use in this case. So I'll be choosing Anthropics Cloud 3 Hoppers. So this is only available on the premium version. Make sure to choose that. Okay, and then it gives you the best output. Okay, on point of view, you can either choose second person, first person plural, third person, but in my case I'll choose first person. Okay, and then the targeted audience, I'll choose United States of America. If you have an API, you can use that in that section, but in this case we're not using an API. So under the humanizer text, we want it to make our article readable. Okay, you can use the 7th grade, which is easy to read, but they're recommending 8th and 9th grade, so let's choose the recommended one for that case. And then we have details to be included section. Here you can add details, but I don't want to add anything. I want the AI to do everything for me. Okay, and then you have the medium hub. So I will choose images, yes, 3 images. And then the image style here, I can choose whatever, maybe cartoon, abstract, anime. I'll choose cinematic. And then the sizes, you can choose whatever sizes that fit you. Google recommends images with a width of 1200 and above, which is good. Okay, so I'll choose that as the best. And then there you have this video section. I'll choose just one YouTube video embedment for this query. And then under the SEO section, here you can place LSA keywords if you have any. But why bother? I want the AI to do everything for me. So, and then we have this other section for the structure. So here, how do you want the introduction to begin? maybe with a statistical fact, okay, with a question, so forth. I'll choose statistical fact. Okay, do you want to include a conclusion? If you're not interested in a conclusion, just click no. I'll click yes. Word tables, yes, I want table. I want H3s, I'll leave it as it is. Okay, do you want to take away? Yes, I want to take away quotes. In this case, I'm not interested in quotes. And then FAQ section, okay, you can choose FAQ question with Q&A. For this case, I will just leave it blank. I will just leave it as default. I'll put it no. And then under external links, choose the automatic option. This is for only if you upgrade your account. Make sure to select automatic, number of links 3 to 4, and then want them to be evenly distributed throughout the entire article. And I've said this is only available when you upgrade your account. So I'll show you in the free version so that you may be able to interact with it suitably. So connect to the internet. So currently it's connected to the deep web, which is good. You can connect also to the basic web. And then citations, we want to allow citations. And then source links, you also want to allow source links to be included in the article. You'll see it by the end of the day. And then the outline editor, we don't need to use that. I'll let AI to do that for me. Okay. And you can also publish directly to your WordPress. I'll show you the integration later. Also here under the keyword section, we have a title generator. So I'll delete the one I placed. And you see the AI has generated a title for me. But in my case, I already made up my mind that's the title I want to use. So I'll just use it and hit the run button if you are okay with what you see. Just hit the run button and let's see what we have. So it takes us to this page and you can see the status currently is okay, it's running, it's starting from 0. Here you can pause, you can delete, and you can also repeat. Let's give it a second, some few minutes. And then after a few minutes, you can see the status. It is done. So you can view, you can repeat, you can download as HTML. So let me download a copy of it. I've downloaded a copy of it. Okay, so that is just for reference later. And then now we just click on the article and let's see what they have generated for us. Wow. So you can see they've generated a 3,729 word article. Okay, the very title I placed in. And you can see it has started with a statistical, the introduction, okay. And then you also have the citations. Citation, very good citations. You can enable and disable them there. So if you just click on the disable, okay, you see the citations will disappear. Okay, the AI generated image is really good, very good ones. And then you have a good key takeaway section here, a very good one. And then you can see it is also writing in bold. Okay, we have H3s and H2s, well formatted. Okay, so this is the embedded video in the article, very relevant to the topic. We have a table, very good one. Again, H2 and H3s. Another image, AI image. Okay, so you can see that's the alt text. Okay. What else? Okay, we also have another table in this section, which is good, with citations. Another H2, and so forth. Then you have the third AI generated image, very relevant. It's a good one. Another table. Another H2, H3s, H2, H3s, and then now we have our conclusion, a very good conclusion. Okay. Then you can see that our keyword is well distributed throughout the article. And then now we have the source links, which you can enable or disable if you want to disable or enable. Okay. So just leave it or disable them. You can disable both if you want to, or just leave them. So copy, you can copy here, you can edit the article if you want to. can copy or view it as an HTML. So I'll copy it and I'll go to my website. So I'll add it as a new blog post. So I want to see you to see what it looks like, okay, when we add it in WordPress. So I've just copied, Control V. I've pasted it. Now I want to remove that. I want to place that heading in the right place. So I'll place the heading in the right place. Let me copy my main keyword, which is digital marketing and digital marketing analytics. Okay, place your keyword there. Already I have 76. I've not even added internal links. If you see, so Rank Math gives me some recommendations. So I add the focus key on the image. So let me add the focus key on the image. Okay, I'll add the focus key on the image. Okay, and then I want to view it, preview it. Before that, let me save it as a draft first. And okay, when I save it as a draft, okay, you see already hitting the green mark. So it's very well optimized, and I've not even added internal links. So let's preview and see what it looks like, what our users will see when they visit the website. And so this is the article with bolding, so that bolding important LLS word, important keywords. We have the video, the heading, so everything fitted very well. I'm using the Gutenberg editor, and you see it didn't break the format, nothing broke, it's okay. Even the source links are there included. So if you want to remove the source links, as I said, I'm using the Gutenberg block editor. Okay, this is the block editor. Just can click on delete. After selecting everything, you can just delete. But in my case, I'll just leave it as is. So go back and create another article. So I want a topic that is a topic about Google I/O. It's more of a SEO topic. So place it as my title. And then the keyword I want to rank for is Google I/O May 2024. So let me copy everything to the main keyword. Okay, that's me. Okay, I don't want the conference in the main keyword, so I'll remove the conference. Okay, that looks good. So okay, let's try to see what to generate for us if you use the title generator. So let me delete that. Okay, no, it's a good one. It's a good one, but I've already made up my mind. That's what I wanted to use. So we'll go through the same process. English, okay, just leave it as medium. Friendly tone, a point of view, okay, I want to use first person. You can use second person, okay. Okay, United States as my targeted audience. You can also choose whatever country you're interested in. And then the grade, okay, I can use 7th grade, which is fairly easy to use, or the 8th grade. Go whichever. Okay, let's just leave the recommended one. And then AI model, I said for the purpose of testing, you cannot access that. If you upgrade your account, you can able to access the cloud free one. So we just use the available one for the testing purposes. Make sure to use the link in the description to start a free trial, 5 generations. So number of images, currently I'll increase them to 4. Okay, yeah, 4. Previously were 3. And then the number of video, maybe let's do 3, no, 2. Let's do 2. And then you want them to alternate with images. This section of the SEO, I say let AI do the work for us. I don't want a FAQ, I don't want quotes. I want the words to be bolded, important ones to be bolded and italicized. Okay, on the external links, click automatic. This is available only on when you upgrade your account. Number of external links, 3 to 4, which is good, and then you want them to be evenly distributed throughout the content. So now let's hit run, the run button, and see what happens. So let's give it a few minutes for it to run. It's already 3%. So a few minutes later, and it's done. Again, you can view, repeat, delete, or download. So let's just click on the article, and this is the article. It's a very good one. They are generated very relevant images. They're really good. Then you have another beautiful key takeaway section. Okay, we have citations, and then you can see, okay, that's H2, H3, and then there's bolding of important keywords. A very relevant YouTube video, very relevant image. This one is talking about machine learning, okay, in that section. And then you have a table, very good tables section. Okay, we have another video in that section. Okay, I think this is the third. Okay, another image. So you can regenerate the image. If you don't like the image, it will only cost you 100 words. Okay, that's the alt text. Another H2, okay, H2, H3s. This image, maybe I could change that one. Okay, very good one, very good article, very well detailed, sourced. Okay, so we have a good conclusion in this case. Okay, and then you can see all the source links beneath, so we can enable the source links, disable the source links and the citations if we need to do so. Okay, so let's just go upward in this case. Okay, now I'll just go to WordPress dashboard. I'll try to paste it there. Okay, I pasted the wrong thing, so let me go back and copy it well. I think I didn't copy it well, so I'll try to copy it back again. Now it's copied, so I'll paste it. So it's pasted. You can see it's pasted in that section. So we can scroll back upward, and here we have our article. So I'll put this one in the right place. It should be on the heading section. Okay. I'll choose my keyword. Let me place it here on the rank map, and I've already hit the green mark without doing anything. So you can see it's very well optimized. So let me save it as a draft. Okay. Afterwards, okay, you can review, you can see, you can look at your article again. It's good. I can add something else here. Let me add a table of content. Table of contents. So I'm using condensed theme. It's my favorite theme. So let me update the changes by saving it as a draft again. So we want to preview to see what we have, what our viewers will see. And okay, let it load the preview, and this is the article we have. So it's a good article, good images, they feel okay. Another image, another video, tables, very good. So let me go back to the dashboard. I want to show you something. Under your account, just click on integrations. I'll show you how to integrate. You want to do auto posting with WordPress. So you install the plugin. Once you install a plugin, I know everyone knows how to install a plugin, and if you don't know how to install a plugin, so there's this guide they have help you how to install the plugin and set it up, which is easy. Let me open in a new tab. So this is how you install it. Just go under plugins, install a plugin, activate. After activating, under setting, you see your new item, and then you can connect it to SEO Writer. They show you, you receive this link, and then once you see that link, just click on connect. You can also disconnect and so forth. And then you have also plugin settings. So the plugin settings, they show you whatever settings you need to enable and disable if you're using the Elementor plugin. Okay, so these are the settings that you need to do. And it's easy, you know how to install a plugin. So let's go back to the dashboard. So these are all the key features